Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video I will share some amazing and stylish Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Viewers, so let's start today's video. Friends, beautiful Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, viewers, it's that time of years again when our homes spark, our hearts feel lighter, and every corner whisper the magic of Christmas. Today I will show you some beautiful Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas that will make your table or living room the true star of the season. So let's give into the holiday spirit together. Candlelight charm, nothing say Christmas like warm glow of candles. Create a simple yet elegant centerpiece by placing 10 white or red candles on a tray surrounded by pins, leaves, berry and tiny ornaments. Add a little spark with golden ribbon or fairy lights. The soft, creative and peaceful and cozy Christmas centerpiece. Friends, and viewers, flower elegance, add fresh flowers like red rose, white lilies or poinsettia to your centerpiece. Combine them with evergreen branches for that perfect festive contrast. Friends, and viewers, a few touch of gold or silver spray on the leaves can bring a magical shimmer that catch everyone's eyes. So friends, I hope you like my videos.